Today we have my favorite, if not tied for my favorite piece this season, the fall-winter 2020 season. If you guys were on the website, a lot of things were pretty easy to cop. Sellout times were not that crazy. The site did have, I think, a lot of card declines or like CAPTCHA issues as far as that goes though. Also kind of strange for Supreme, they had the first in-store and online drop the same day, and then the following week no drop, and then week 2 will actually be next week or 2 weeks after the initial drop. This makes sense when you look at shipping times of previous seasons for the initial week and then compare it to this time around where this only took 1 week to get here. You know, orders last time were, you know, from week 1 taking longer than week 2 and things like that. Just kind of weird. The first week was always kind of hectic because they have the biggest drop of the season. There's so many items, a lot of people ordering, so it's always kind of hectic, which is, I feel, why they probably dropped it the same day and then took the following week off to finish all the orders and then start things off fresh. That's pretty much all I gotta say though. I want to get this unboxed. I kind of hate like waiting to open these for the unboxing videos, especially if it's something I want, like this. You know, obviously I said probably my favorite piece from the season. There's also going to be some goodies in here. Hopefully we get the week 1 gift, and then also a sticker pack. Usually you get those in your orders. Bag is empty and we got it wrapped inside. So we got the free gift, which was the rubber gloves. Honestly, pretty nice as far as a free gift goes. A lot of times they'll do something pretty small, but yeah, I think this is probably one of the better ones. I know one season they just did poppy seeds, which was kind of lame because, you know, just some seeds compared to gloves. I'd much rather have the gloves. They also did like gardening gloves one season that weren't like a free gift that you had to pay for. Kind of got screwed over on the stickers. We only have the normal box logo. They also gave out camo box logos, which were probably like the most sought after ones. We got this Stay Positive, probably the most trash design as far as the spring tees go, or seasonal tees, I guess, fall tees. And then also this CAPTCHA one, which is the best tee, but as far as the sticker goes, you know, I don't really care about this, and I was actually not a huge fan of the design itself, but yeah, great shipping with the stickers all bent up. Moving on to the actual piece that I care about, we have the Supreme Bleed tee coming in the nice bag. I think they only do this for the like more expensive pieces. As far as like just the regular tees, you'll just get them in the like actual plastic wrap. But yeah, I'm interested to see what the sizing's like on this. I wanted to get an XL, but I was having issues at checkout, and then XL was sold out, and I was finally able to get just the large. So hopefully this fits. I'm kind of like on a border. I want it to be a little bit more oversized, so like I said, a little interested to see what the cut is like on their cotton jerseys. I've never gotten one of these before. I've only gotten their like regular tees as far as the t-shirts go. Wow, this is beautiful. Like, wow, I really like this. This is cool. As far as the cut goes, it does feel like it's a little bit bigger. It feels like it kind of has a more boxy cut. Like, I've gotten some of their seasonal tees and they seem a little more plain or just like kind of like a basic cut, where this, it seems a little bit more boxy. Like the sleeves are a little bit longer and it fits a little bit bigger or larger than some of their normal large size seasonal tees that I've gotten in the past. Also, if you can't tell, the whole piece has this kind of like wash to give it a vintage look almost. Like, this looks like somebody just thrifted it, or I guess I just thrifted it, but man, I really like this. This is such a cool design. I will say, as far as cost goes, these are a lot more expensive than their seasonal tees, the like cotton jerseys that they do. This being the short sleeve, it's $78 retail, and then the long sleeve version, which is actually my other favorite piece from the season, is the long sleeve cotton jersey, the bobsled design. I love that one. It's so beautiful. I want to get that, but that is actually $88, I think. So you know, it's hard to, you know, hard for a lot of people to justify, you know, $78 on a t-shirt, especially after you get shipping and then taxes. It's very expensive, but resale on these is actually not that bad, or not as bad as I thought it would be. You can get, or I've been seeing a lot of them go, especially in different colorways, close to $100. So it'll be interesting to see if those kind of stay around that mark or if they go up a little bit over time. I've not been seeing many extra larges go on sale, but a lot of the other sizes are pretty chill. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys, and I hope you stay positive until I see you next time.